Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandur. Today we are going to start the 9th class chapter that is called real numbers. What is real number? What is real number? Before going to this chapter, just we have to know about the real number. Let's see what is real number. Let's see what is real numbers. The real numbers are the combination of numbers. Real number are the numbers. Real numbers are the combination of numbers. It contains natural number, whole number, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Okay, natural numbers. What is natural numbers? Natural numbers which are started from 1 to infinity. Natural numbers started from 1 to infinity. Let's move on the example. 1, 2, 3 up to so on plus infinity. And let's see what is whole number. Whole number, the number which are started from 0 to infinity. 0, 1, 2. Example is 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on infinity. This is whole numbers. What is integer? Integer contain positive and negative numbers and 0. Example is 0 here. 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, up to so on plus infinity. Here left side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on minus infinity. This is called integer. Let's move on. What is the number line? This is whole is number line. We have to take a straight line. In that we have the middle is 0 and right side is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 up to so on plus infinity. Here the left side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to so on minus infinity. The number which are present, the left side of the numbers, the right side of the zeros is called positive numbers. The number which are present in the left side of the 0 is called negative numbers. Till that number line here to here is also called as positive numbers, positive integers and natural number. Natural number definition is the number which has started from 1 to infinity plus infinity. Positive number also same definition, the number which are present in the right side of the zeros. Okay, positive numbers and whole number, natural number is same definition, same numbers. And when we add the 0, when we combine the 0, then it becomes whole numbers. The whole numbers is started from 1 to infinity. Okay, and whole total number line is called as integer also. The natural number. This is a very important definition in this chapter. Rational numbers. Rational numbers, the number which can be written as p by q and q should not equals to 0. Then it is called as rational numbers. What is the rational number? The rational number, the number which can be written as p by q and q should not equals to 0. Then it is called as rational numbers. Let's move on the example here. 22 by 7. Here 22 is p and 7 is q. And minus 100 by 2. Minus 100 by 2 is rational number because it is p by q form. 7 is there, only 7 is 7 by 1. 7 by 1 is equals to 7 also. 7 also rational number and 7 by 1 also rational numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3 up to so on are rational number or not? It also rational number because 1 also can be written as 1 by 1, 2 also written as 2 by 2, 3 can also written as 3 by 3. Natural numbers also can be call it as rational numbers. Let's move on the irrational number. What is irrational number here? Okay, what is irrational number? The number which cannot be written as p by q, then it is called as irrational numbers. What is irrational number? Example is 2.314 bar. Bar is there. When bar is not there, we can write it as p by q form. If you remove the decimal, we can write if. Let's see, I will explain you. 2.314, only bar is not there, we can write it as 2314 can be written as 2.314 can be written as 2,314 by 1000. If we remove the decimal, we divided by 1000, because after decimal we have 3 numbers, then we divide the 1000, we have to divide 3 zeros. Okay, but let's see the example here. This is having the bar. We don't know what is meant by bar here. 2.31444. We don't know how many times it gets repeated, so we cannot find how many numbers after decimal. If we know how many numbers we can decimal, we can easily write the P by Q form. That's why decimal bar is there. It cannot be written as P by Q form. It is a example of irrational number. Let's move on the exercise. Exercise 1.1 is there. What is the first question here? Write any 3 rational numbers. Rational number is, what is meant by rational number? The number which can be written as P by Q form. P by Q form is, we can write it as, we can take it as the example 2 by 5, 10 by 5, 15 by 2. Anything you can write, but it is form of P by Q. Let's move on the second question. What is the second question here? Explain the rational number in your own words. I will give you the definition. That second answer, you can write it as the national number which can be written as P by Q, and Q should not be equal to 0, then it is called as rational number. You can write this equation as the second question, and the example is there. You can write it. Okay, up to that definition is there. We solved the first one question. Okay, today's class is completed. You should have to maintain your notes. This is your homework. Whatever I give you definition, that definition you have to write in your notes. This is your homework, and complete your homework and notes, submit in your groups. Okay, Allah Hafiz.